Welcome to watch today's Fresham. Renovation for the next generation, how Emil Humbert refreshed his parents-in-law's villa on the Côte d'Azur. The famous Italian architect Luigi Caccia Dominioni built this summer house around 1980. Interior designers Humbert and Poyet have now given the house, and the pool, a sophisticated, family-friendly update. Humbert revitalized several unused rooms, adapting them to the needs of the times and the family. Perhaps the most significant intervention was the radical repurposing of some of the main rooms. What was once the entrance hall is now the dining room, while the kitchen was moved from the first floor to a former bedroom on the ground floor. The dining room floor is a reinterpretation of the magnificent and dynamic terrazzo flooring that Luigi Caccia Dominioni installed in the Galleria Strasburgo shopping mall in Milan.